I'm gonna show you how to repair your holes right here, your air holes. It's a 1/4 inch. If you got a leak, and it happens often because it's made out of polyurethane, it's kind of stiff. So only thing you have to do is just get you some cutters or a knife and cut that end off right there. And once you cut that end off, you know, try to cut it square as you can. And then what you want to do is take this recoil off. And what you have to do is turn it to the right. See how I'm turning this and pulling down at the same time. If you turn the other way, it would not come on. It seems like it's tightening up. And also, you take it off and put it on the same way. And get you a knife and just slice that a little bit. And then pop that off. It's that simple. And once you pop that off, make sure your fitting is clean and put your recoil back on there. Make sure you put it on the right way before you put the connector on. So clean your connector up, make sure there's no dirt or grease or anything. And then take some Windex. This will help it slide on easily. Just take a little Windex, just spray a little bit on there. And then you push it on. And if you got a vise, it'll be easier where you could put the fitting in the vise and put your weight on it. So I'm just doing this standing up, showing you how easy it is. Like I said, you could put the fitting in a vise and then push down, it'll be easier. You see how I'm turning it and pushing it in, and then I couldn't get it all the way on, so what I did is got some pliers to help me get it the rest of the way on. And once I did that, I got it snug all the way up to the fitting. I brung my recoil up and I turn it towards the right again and pushed it on. Like I said, if you go towards the left, it won't work. And once you push it on and make sure it's up to the fitting, and look at it, that's it. That's all it takes. That's how you can repair it. Thanks for watching.